Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you about the app Duet date and how to use it. Let's get started. Duet is a dating and social app designed to help individuals connect based on shared interests and authentic profiles. Unlike traditional dating apps, Duet emphasizes meaningful interactions through features like voice prompts, personality quizzes, and a mandatory verification process to ensure a safe and genuine community. Now let's move to how to use this app. First, what you have to do is open up your app store, then search Duet on your search bar. Then after this pops up, then tap on Duet, and then after you're in, tap to install option right here. It will be right here, so install it and then open up your app. So now here's the option of I'm new here and I've been here before, so tap on whatever is suitable for you, and then after that you need to create your profile, adding your personal details, your name, age, location and interest. You can also choose photos to represent yourself and also record a 30-second voice message introducing yourself. This feature adds a personal touch and helps potential matches to get to know you better. Now you can explore Duet features like Smart Tag. Utilize this feature to describe your interests, traits and preferences, enhancing your profile's visibility to like-minded individuals. You can also engage in quizzes to match with users who share similar answers, fostering deeper connection, and you discover your romance compatibility score and relationship strengths to find more compatible matches. You can also randomly pair with someone based on location and zodiac sign compatibility, adding an element of surprise to your connection. Now to connect and interact, you can swipe and match, browse through profiles and swipe right to like someone to start a conversation. Once matched, initiate chats to get to know each other better, but remember to follow Duet safety guidelines when interacting with new people. So this is how you can use this app Duet to meet and make new friends. I hope you guys liked this video. Like and comment down below if it did. See you in the next video. Bye.